Sooner we strike oil, sooner we get off this thing! What in the name of... Whoa, it's everywhere! Mayday! Mayday! Can anyone hear me?
A creeping slime!
You don't mind if I cut, do you?
As a matter of fact, I do. I have math in 20 minutes.
Hey!
Java, what's the deal?
Looks like Java has his eye on Polly Potswaggle. Way to go, Jay. Psst, Java, ask her out on a date.
No, it's like you're out of Thursday surprise, Java.
Dinner.
No, silly. This is lunch. I'll have Chef bring us some more.
Nice try, but it looks like you could use a little help in the dating arena, pal.
Don't you dare listen to him, Java.
See, when it comes to girls' job, you have to be suave and sophisticated while projecting an aura of hip and happening. You perfect that attitude and the girls will come running to you.
More like running for cover. You just need to be yourself. Watch and learn.
Huh?
So, you want to go out and get some pizza with me after the game?
Why, I'd love to, Chet.
Excuse me.
Well, what do you know? Duty calls.
The center.
Martin Mystery, clear. Diana Lombard, clear. Java the Caveman, clear.
Okay, Java. Rule number 1, be cool at all times.
Hey, baby, hey.
Not bad. Keep working on it.
Hey, what are you up to, guys?
Here we go.
Oh, hey, Billy. I'm giving Job a few tips on how to increase his dateability. He's already mastered double guns.
Ooh, teach me too. Hey!
Listen, you three. Girls like sweet. Girls like romantic. Girls do not like lame moves and lines.
You mean like that lame move you put on Chet in the cafeteria? Whoa! Wow. Rad! What's it do?
It's used to map the nervous system of this specimen, though it seems you found another less intellectual use. We picked up an SOS from an offshore drilling platform near this island chain in the South Pacific.
Offshore? I bet one of those killer giant squids is to blame.
Oh, please.
Java, remember what I taught you?
Be cool.
This way, guys.
Wow, check out the carnage. There's been some major action here.
Hello? What could have caused all of this?
Clearly some kind of mucus-secreting ectomorph. Or maybe this is the missing men, transformed into goo by some kind of molecular descrambler.
Lovely. Now, do you have any real ideas?
Come inside.
Yeah, follow Java.
If we can get this to work, maybe there's a record of outgoing transmissions.
Good idea. But first, let's see what kind of tricks I've got up my sleeve.
U-Watch activated. Slime scan selected.
Maybe the slime scan can give us the skinny on this drippy mess.
This is an oil rig. Has it occurred to you it might be oil?
Whoa, no oil. But we've got some major supernatural mojo working here. This stuff is off the chart. Very uncool, Java.
We got something.
This is Clark from Platform 059er. Something's come on board. I've never seen anything like it before in my life. It's done something to my men. I'm gonna try to get to a life raft and get off of this.
Quick, follow me! Want to go for a ride?
Come on, Java. It's this or Swift.
Okay, up, down, left, right. This should be easy. Now, how do you turn this thing on? Just kidding, sis.
Martin, we're sinking!
So, where to?
Hey, here's a map. Look, it's an island. If there were any survivors from the platform, they'd go here. Change course.
No problemo. Now, let's see what this baby can do. Now that's what I call a 10-point landing.
On a 100-point scale, maybe. We definitely won't be flying back on that thing.
Or taking the boat.
The oars are still attached. Looks like someone made it off that platform.
And it looks like whatever's leaving the slime behind made it back too.
Why does it always have to start with a trail of slime?
So remember, it always helps to have a compliment or two memorized, Jav. Try one.
Java say, nice hairs.
Don't worry, Java. I'll give you some real advice.
I'm getting a weird feeling about this place. Haven't you noticed it's completely silent? And look, all the plants that are touched by the slime are withered away.
What is it, Java?
Something coming.
I need to look into getting that transporter fixed. Hi, guys. What's shaking?
Billy, are you all right?
I'm cool. I have some data on that slime sample you took. Quite troubling. The residue has no trace of DNA, but an energy signature that's mostly human.
Sounds like whatever's on the leaving end of that slime is gonna be trouble.
Forgive me if I don't stick around to find out. This place is way too creepy for me. Good luck!
This place really doesn't seem all that creepy. It's actually very exotic.
No, wait! Look, it's a person.
Hello? Can you hear me? What happened to him?
It's like his vital force was just sucked out.
Came out of nowhere. Couldn't stop it.
We better get him some help.
Java strong will carry.
We have found many others like him. All of them the men who come to take the oil.
We found evidence of supernatural activity. Have you seen anything unusual around here?
You speak of the black slime?
Yes, I have seen it. On the far side of the island where the intruders make their camp.
That man. Who is he? But I swear
Maybe you can point us to where you found the slime. Where are we?
Java think this bad place?
Must be the oil company's base camp.
Hello? Anyone here?
I don't think we'll find anyone.
Do you hear that?
Yeah. It's this way. It's some sort of passageway. And there's more slime in here.
What should we do?
Run!
Why are we running?
Jump! Look out! All those traps. There must be something really big up ahead for someone to go through all that trouble.
I think that qualifies.
Malo shaka, oh no tiki malo shaka, oh no tiki malo.
That's him! It's the shaman from the village. And they've got the guy from the oil platform too.
I don't understand. What are they doing with him?
Looks like some kind of ceremony.
Wake him.
Where am I? My men! What did you do to my men?
Your men got what they deserved, as will you!
U-Watch activated. Legend X selected.
Are you getting this?
Every word. He's summoning something called the Black Spirit.
Malo shaka.
Whoa. Awesome!
Oh no tiki malo shaka. You have fouled our land. You have ignored our humble requests to leave us in peace. Now you will pay. Oh no tiki malo shaka. Oh no tiki malo shaka. Oh no tiki malo shaka.
I don't think he has control over that thing.
Oh no tiki malo shaka. 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 Oh no tiki malo shaka.
I'm willing to bet Dr. Headshrinker is getting some help from that amulet. If we can get it away from him.
It's too late!
So it's feeding off people. Oh, we need to stop this maniac before he brings it back for more.
Oh no, this is definitely one of those times where we call for backup.
Why call backup when you have 300 pounds of Neanderthal muscle? What do you say, Java? Ready to go caveman on these guys?
Java no like bad men.
Way to go, Martin.
Sorry, sis. Sneak attack just isn't my style. You okay, Jav?
Java C2 Martin.
Trespassers! How dare you defile the sanctity of this ceremony? You three shall suffer the same fate as your friend.
Whoa, hold on there, pal. We don't even know this guy. Ah!
Martin, you better think of something fast! Any lame brain idea will do!
No! Back! Back! Stop!
He's lost control of it. Java, now would be a good time for some of that caveman strength.
Black Spirit, hear my command! Attack them, not me!
Let's get out of here! I think we lost it.
What is this place? Martin, we shouldn't be here.
They look like the same thing the shaman was wearing around his neck. And look, no slime. That black spirit hasn't been here. These gems must have the power to control and repel it. Did you see that? That was oil. These combined with oil are what makes the black spirit.
Listen, something's down here. It's the missing oil workers. But why are they all in here? Huh?
I had no choice but to hide them. My people are too kind and trusting. They would never approve of my summoning the Black Spirit.
With good reason. You can't even control that thing.
But I must protect my people. Oh no tiki malo shaka. Oh no tiki malo shaka.
Doesn't he get it? We're the good guys.
Martin, do something!
You fools! Now no one is safe! You've doomed us all!
I don't like the sound of this.
It's in too many places. We need to stick together.
Stop it!
I'll distract it. When it moves out of the way, run for the exit.
What? You're crazy!
Hey, slug strap! Over here! I don't think so. This is wicked. But why aren't I... Gems! Java! Diana! I'm coming! Right, and they repel too! streak does it again.
Though these men were not welcome here, we are happy to see them safe.
No thanks to my dead perfect aim and killer throwing arm.
Give your ego a rest, will you?
So, I have you to thank for helping us out here. Our board of directors will be pleased to learn there won't be any further delay in our operation.
Don't be so sure. Your operation is in violation of international treaty. My friends here are to see that you get home and stay there.
You are a brave young man, and have the thanks of our village, and of this foolish old shaman.
Hey, no problem.
Hey, baby. Hey.
Way to go, Jay.
Oh, not again.
Hey!